Hello YouTube, this is One-Legged Prepper, and I'm here with Kid Prepper, and we are going to discuss my push-start lawnmower. As you can see, it's battery powered, so it's either coal or nuclear charged, because that's what the electrical manufacturing facilities use here in the United States. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hand the phone off to the Kid Prepper. I'm going to show you how we start this bad boy and how quiet it really is. Push button, pull lever. Now, the reason why I got this YouTube was because when my foot completely wore out on me and I had a major failure of my ankle, I lost the strength to use a pull starter. I do have a pull starter that my uncle bought me about 10 years ago, right here, which I can't use right now. And I'm in the process of getting stronger, so, or as of right now, I have this nice electrical lawnmower. And as usual, YouTube, if you found this video useful, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. This is the One-Legged and the Kid Prepper out.